Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. We've got some incredible scenes from Fantom. We have had the target met, and it looks absolutely awesome. So we're going to unfold some real chart analysis as to why this could just keep on going. So, welcome back to another crypto video, and it's absolutely whopping the gains that we're looking at. So we can see we're up 14.9% on that daily, $3.29. We hit that $3 before the $2, so super bullish. 8.3 billion market cap, and I think this can still, soar up to at least 20 billion. And it's ranked 25, and it's just climbing the crypto ladder. 30 days we're up 120%, 24 hour up that 15%, and over the 2 weeks, since all that fear and depression and anxiety, we're up 27%, so looking super duper good. Let's hop into those charts. You can see we're forming this particular symmetrical triangle, and we were arguing that if we ever come back down to $2, $1.50 or even $2, it's just going to be a fantastic price level to get back into the project, and we completely nullified the potential formation of a double top or even a head and shoulders. So it looks absolutely smashingly, whoppingly bullish at the moment, guys. I hope you can see that here clearly. These are all of the support levels. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you, and that is basically the lowest we came down to was $2.10, so we didn't even come down to that $2.03 level. So that's fantastic to see. Also big thanks to patrons Mub, Peter Alpcara, and do hop into the Discord channel. It's in the description below if you want to just share thoughts, talk about charts, etc. So what's happened, we've busted through that 319 resistance level, which is flipped back into a support, and that's really good. So these were perfect DCA opportunities, and you would be taking profits on the way up ideally. And now we've came through that 319, we're working our way to the prior all-time high of $3.47, so it's looking absolutely bullish. Our golden target over here of $3.79, and things are just looking really strong, really smooth sailing for Fantom right now. You can see we've got no bearish divergences here on the RSI. In fact, it's looking really healthy because we're only at 68 on the RSI, but we are quite overextended on that 20-day moving average on Fantom itself, so be a little bit careful and don't get too greedy. But if we hop into that 4 hour, you can see we put through another red doji candle here, so we might just get a bit of consolidation. We can find out a bit more if we go back into a smaller time frame. So you can see we had this complete rollover, and we had all that support along this particular level, but it's just too strong. The bulls were too strong. Even though we were rolling over, those highs were coming down, we just slingshot back up, and it's almost like a reverse cup and handle. You just don't expect it. It's just really bullish to see that sort of activity. And now we are consolidating in this 321 to 331 region. We've got a lot of support along that 321 level, so we really don't want to lose any support along $3.21, $3.19, all kind of similar critical support areas. So in the short term, we don't want to break through this this diagonal support that we got along our big symmetrical triangle, but we are pretty overbought on the RSI on these smaller time frames, so it could be normal that we do get a bit of a pullback, though these wicks are demonstrating very big strength on the buying side, but we're also seeing equal selling pressure. So we just need to really hold at this level. If we go back to our 4 hour time frame, I think that's much better. We can see we've had some massive pumps in the last literally 10 hours or so, but if we can retest this support level, I think that's the best thing that can happen. We come down, retest at 320, make our way up to 347, which is the prior all-time high, maybe retest, and that's where we make the big move to that $3.79 level. Whopping gains ahead, and it's looking super good. Sorry, quick sippy of water. So that is the trajectory that I think is going to happen. I don't think we're going to see any real downside now, because this 319 is a huge support level. We've come back through. If we did come back down, maybe we're going to see lower levels, not quite like 265, probably around this level here for support, 290. We've also got that lovely support, just like we're talking about, 320. So retest support levels, possible, maybe unlikely. I think we're going to see that 347 all-time high, local all-time high match, and then we're going to bust through to 379, and it's going to look absolutely fantastic. So just keep your eyes peeled on that one. Fantom is super strong project. You can see this RSI, however, is coming down, but it looks like we're getting that momentum we need, and maybe we'll even come back up on the RSI very soon to levels such as 76, where we're going to see that big extra impulse to the prior local all-time high. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and consider becoming a patron. You get yourself some exclusive benefits, and I guarantee you'll be very happy with the ebook that you receive. So hopefully see you in the next video. If you like the content, like I say, smash that subscribe button, squeeze that subscribe like no tomorrow. You're one click away, and let's see you in the next video.